The National Kidney Foundation is taking the fight against kidney disease to new heights, literally. The 10th annual Rappel for Kidney Health is happening June 15th in Baltimore, and there's still time to get involved. Right now, we've got pediatric urologist Kimberly Lumpkins here, along with Paul Grill, the board chair for the event. How are you two?
Great, thank you for having us.
I'm happy to have you here. I will tell you, when I hear about this event, I'm both excited and terrified at the same time. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Sure. So kidney disease is one of the most important health problems that faces Maryland. And the most remarkable thing about it is that it's often silent. So many people have no idea that they have a kidney problem until it's so late that their kidneys aren't working any longer. Actually, 1 in 3 Marylanders is at risk for kidney disease. And so early detection and early treatment is really important to try to prevent you from requiring dialysis or kidney replacement. The National Kidney Foundation really works to increase awareness and detection of kidney disease to make sure that Marylanders can stay as healthy as possible.
I think a lot of times we do not realize how pervasive this is until it touches either our lives or someone close to us. What are some of the symptoms that we should be on the lookout for?
Absolutely. So one of the things about kidney disease is actually there aren't very many symptoms. So your kidneys will try very, very hard to do what they're supposed to do as long as possible. So you often wouldn't get any symptoms until very late in the disease. But there are ways that we can detect it early, and they're simple. Urine tests, blood tests, seeing your doctor regularly for a checkup will help identify kidney disease at its very earliest stages. The risk factors include things that are really common: diabetes, high blood pressure, history of smoking, things that many, many adults have. And so that regular preventative checkup to help find kidney disease early is critical.
And so as a community, of course, we want to help people stay healthy and help our neighbors. And I know that your organization does that. And this event specifically is going to be a fun one. So, well, fun and scary. I keep going back to the scary part, but describe the fun and scary event that is Rappel for Kidney Health.
It is really a lot of fun, more than scary, for sure. And it's our premier event. We're the exclusive provider of this event in the Baltimore area, so we're thrilled to be able to do this every year. And it is the opportunity to rappel down a 25-story building. You really don't find this anywhere, at least not in an urban center.
No, you do not.
And I've done it before. Dr. Lumpkins has done it.
You did it, so you guys did it and lived to tell the tale.
Several times.
Absolutely.
How was it?
It's thrilling. I mean, of course, if you have a little bit of fear of heights, it may be a little challenging, getting over the edge initially.
Yeah.
But once you're over and you're going down, you see the city, you see all the people cheering you on, and you know what you're doing this for. It's fighting for a great cause to help prevent kidney disease. So it's a thrilling experience.
Okay. I don't know. I go back and forth. I've had friends that have done it. I'm not necessarily going to sign up on air right now, but if there's a 50-50 chance. But if I get too scared, I can still support, and our viewers can also support. How can they support without going over the edge, and how can they participate?
Well, they're welcome to come out for the day. It's Saturday, June 15th, 100 North Charles Street. Come out and just support the event, cheer on a friend or family or loved one.
Good, I can do that.
Make a donation is another way we can encourage people to come out and support the cause.
Good, and they can do that online?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then the services, what sorts of services are supported by the funds that we are contributing and donating?
Yeah, so the National Kidney Foundation has many different branches of support. So one of the fundamental things is support for people with kidney failure who are having emergency situations. Another is screening events and education to make people aware of this. As we talked about, you have to catch it early, which means you have to be looking for it.
Yes.
Education in the community, as well as supporting research to try to be able to prevent and treat kidney disease from a medical perspective. All of these things are supported by the National Kidney Foundation.
It's just amazing work that both of you do. And also, I think important to highlight that this is happening in our community. I think, again, we do not realize how pervasive it is until it's really right at our front door. So it's nice to be able to help through this event and through this cause this way before it does get to our front door. So thank you both for being here. If you want to volunteer or if you want to donate, you can do so. Just go online to kidneymd.org. Also, you can call the number on your screen. Remember, all of your donations benefit the NKF serving Maryland and Delaware. This is the 10th annual. My goodness.
Yep.
Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.